everybody. It's Denny again. Hey, let's put some snow on some trees, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Okay, we're going to put some snow in these trees. Now, you can use gouache if you want, or you can even use what I'm going to use, which is just white acrylic paint. Okay? And we're not spreading it in there. We're just laying it on top and leaving it just like it is. Okay? Just like that. And the secret is lay it down and leave it alone. Okay? Just lay it down, leave it alone, and it'll play quite well. You see, we put some scratches in here and all of that just to make it look better. Okay? Okay, there we go. We're getting snow in our trees now, by golly. You know, I mean, the polar bear wants to be where it's cold. He, you know, not exactly a warm weather bear. Okay, so we'll give the bear some more cold stuff, just like that. He's got snow that he can play in. If polar bears play in the snow, I don't know that they do. I don't know that they don't. But he's got some. Now, right down here, we're just going to pull some snow off of these grasses. Okay? Just like that. Now, tomorrow, be with me, and we'll work some more on the snow that the bear is standing on. Okay? So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave comments. We need those comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. A nice dusting of snow on the trees. Now tomorrow, we'll get to working on the ground that the bear is standing on. I'll meet you then. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.